Vanita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Vanita and today I will show you how to make easy Luffa curry. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 Luffas, which is also known as rich gourd or Taroi in Fiji, 3 cloves of garlic cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 sprig of curry leaves cut into small pieces, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 1 green chili cut into small pieces, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 small onion cut into small pieces. Peel the ridges off using a potato peeler or a sharp knife. Cut the ends off and rinse it well. Cut it in half and cut it into small pieces and transfer it into a dish. Place a fry pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 20 seconds. Add onions, curry leaves, chillies and garlic. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Add luffa or rich gourd, curry powder, chili powder, turmeric and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Cover it, lower the heat and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it 2 to 3 times during cooking. After 10 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It needs a little bit more salt, so I'm adding extra half a teaspoon of salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. My easy Luffa curry or rich gourd curry is ready and you can serve it with roti, puri or rice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.